team is led by Red 1 squadron leader Jim Turner, who's entering that left-hand bend and calling them into 7 arrow formation. The jets now close up to be about 8 feet apart as they form one big red arrow in the sky. Jim is a former Jaguar qualified weapons instructor and Jaguar display pilot, and he was a member of the Red Arrows from 2005 to 2007. This is his first year as leader. More recently, he's been working with the Royal Saudi Air Force's equivalent to the Red Arrows, where he was their official advisor. That's Reds 4 and 5 rolling back there to reform that 7 arrow formation. As the smoke comes on, the team are forming shuttle formation. Those 4 aircraft on the wings are now dropping back to be abeam Red 6's jet directly behind the leader. While in this position further back, they still fly references on the lead aircraft and just trust that the jet only 8 feet away is in the correct place. From your right hand side, this is the shuttle roll. The far left